Hello, my name is Abdul Samad and this is my to-do list project. I've added basic features like adding a to-do task, filter, and number of tasks task counter. And let's add some tasks and see. So we have added three tasks and let's see the features. And this is this like if all the if we filter it completed. If you see the completed section, the all the completed tasks will be shown here, and in uncompleted, all the uncompleted tasks will be shown. If we if we completed the task, then we can mark it as completed by checking this box. Then we can see the see it in the completed section. And as you can see, the count is also decreased to 2 because we have only remaining two tasks. And if we think that we can delete some, we have already done it, and we can delete some. If you think that you can, if you want to delete some task, then you can use this delete option and delete the task. And as you can see, the count has decreased to 1 because we have only one remaining task and one uncompleted and one completed and remain all it. Yeah, so this is about the to-do list project. And now let's go to the code part. This is the code, HTML code of my to-do list project. I've used Font Awesome and also Google Fonts. Font Awesome is I used it for icons, and Google Font I used it for to use some good font styles. And this here this is the main section. So this part of the code is for adding this. The button is for this, and this section, this is the selector, and this div is made for the filter, and this is the counter, and this is the JavaScript link. I've linked the JavaScript using this. This is my CSS code. I've done all my styling and animations here, and this is the JavaScript part. I've divided this JavaScript into three parts, and first is declarations, and second is adding the event listeners, and the last part is adding all the functions. Let's see what are the functions, and the first function is add to do object, like add to do means whenever we click this button, we create this whole thing. So this is the task of this function. And delete and check. So whenever we click on check button or delete, check and delete. So whatever we do, checking and deleting, it's done in that. It's done in here. Is yeah. And filter. And so whatever filter is there. So all the filter, whatever is done in the filter part is because of this function. And the last function is the counter, the number of task counter. So this is the code of to-do list project, and thanks for watching. This was all about to-do list. Thank you.